Today we will be testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 137 different strategies, with 49 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. And so the source video says that this first 95% win rate secret indicator on Tradingview, a mastermind indicator. And so, of course, we're going to put that to the test and see if this is actually a 95% win rate indicator. Oddly enough, they aren't using just one indicator, they're using two, so it's always confusing when they say a 95% win rate secret indicator and then they use multiple indicators. But nonetheless, so let's go ahead and hide these two indicators here. First indicator you will want to put on screen is going to be the Super Bollinger Trend, this one right here. The second indicator you will add to screen is going to be the QQE mod, this one right here by Mickle, and it will look kind of something like this. A few different colors and such, but we'll go into the inputs, and the first thing you'll do is change the Histo 2 to green. You'll change the QQE up to green, the QQE down to red. On the inputs here, we'll go through this rather quickly, so if you get lost, just go ahead and pause the video and match these settings right here, because we're going to change almost all of them. So first of all, you're going to change the RSI link to 45. The RSI smoothing, you're going to change that to 22. The threshold, you're going to change that to 10. Bollinger Band length 79, the BB multiplier to 0.95, RSI length to 22, the RSI smooth to 24, the fast QQE factor, you're going to change that to 4.61, and this threshold you're going to change to 1 and click OK, and it should look like this right here. So what we're looking for is the Super Bollinger Band to give us a signal whether we're going short or long with these arrows right here. A red arrow means short, a green arrow means long. When we get a red or green arrow, we're then going to look for the QQE mod to match the same color. So right here, we get a red arrow and the QQE mod is also red. That's going to be our signal to take a short position. We're going to take a short there. We're going to put our stop right above the last swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward, and you see that very quickly we come down and hit our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a long trade now. Alright, so for a long trade, we're looking for the Super Bollinger Band to give us a green arrow. When we get that green arrow, we're looking for the QQE mod to also be green. It's going to be our signal to then go long. Once again, we're going to set our long there. We're going to put our stop right below the last swing and target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get out of it. Alright, so this one definitely takes a little bit longer, but you can see that we eventually make our way up here, getting ourselves to take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a Tradingview indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 10 winning trades and 40 losing trades, putting us at a 20% win rate. So obviously not too great. Even with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward on the winning side, if you're looking to gain $600, you would have gained $6,000 altogether. On the losing side, though, you would have lost $16,000 for a total loss of $10,000 altogether. Now, compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy. During the same period of time, we did 57 trades. We had 48 winning trades and 9 losing trades, putting us at the 84% win rate. So on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600, you would have gained $28,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $7,020 for a total gain of $21,780. Again, during that same period of time, about a half a year roughly. And so considerably better strategy. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to it. Plus you have to maintain your Patreon status as well. And so very cheap for a very efficient, profitable strategy. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly trades. And so this is the trades, the signals from the Academy of Forex strategy that I mentioned, and it's with these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin each week on the 30-minute time frame. These are all the trades that you would have taken. So with the Forex pairs, we'd have taken 7 trades, 7 winning trades with a 100% win rate. With the crypto coin, we had 2 winning trades, 2 losing trades at 50%. That would have put us down $320 on the week. And so even with the drawdown there of $300, we would have still had $3,880 on the week. So 3 weeks in a row now we've been profitable, and we would have gained $13,300 altogether, just proving that with a small handful of trades and just a few Forex pairs that you can be super profitable with this strategy. And when I say you can earn tens of thousands of dollars in just a month or so, that is a prime example of how you can do it. So that's it for this strategy here. This one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.